enchanting story of a lovely typewritist in the 21st century.
He wasn't lovely, he was charming.
But I'll tell you who was lovely. His gorgeous secretary.
Lovely? That's a typo. We mean ugly.
Typo? That's what my idiot partner thinks.
Idiot? I'm no idiot. At least I know how this story goes.
Well, you don't know how it starts. Drake, let's skip to the end. Pardon the experimental symbols.
Okay, back to the story. It was a dark and stormy night. No, I'm just kidding.
Wait! Exclamation point. It was a dark and stormy night. I am sorry. I misjudged you, partner. Please, continue.
Our hero was in his office when suddenly loud noise tore through the thunder to... this typewriter is really hard to use. Agnes pulled out one of many knives she kept in her secretary desk drawer.
One for each of the many men she had courted, but still to this day she had never married because none could compare to her boss, Mr. Roswell.
No, he was not a city, he was a person. In fact, some have said he was the smartest person they had ever met.
Except for the fact that he was not smart enough to figure out how desperately in love his secretary was with him. Yes, it's true, she sometimes would stay up nights dreaming about him, and he never knew it.
Which drove her bonkers! Exclamation point. Where were we? Oh, right. The dumb stormy night thing. Mr. Roswell pulled out one of his many guns.
Yeah, you guessed it. One for every girl he had ever courted.
And you guessed it again, he had no guns, so he went unarmed.
But little afraid, the outside of his professional building, there Agnes and he stood to behold the sight from whence came the dreaded sound
of music. No, we are not talking about the most popular musical ever made. We are talking about the bar that moved in 2 weeks ago.
Yes, the dreaded thing, because of course our characters have too much integrity to be seen in the devil's place.
Plus, this is a family show. Story. Sorry, I'm losing focus because this story is taking so long.
Several million exclamation points.
The end!
Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. James and I accidentally came up with it one time when we were playing with my typewriter. Right now you're seeing the story that we typed out one time when we were just playing around. So we hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun to make, even though it really didn't have an ending. Subscribe if you would like to see more family-friendly content, and we have other videos on the side here if you would like to watch more of our videos.